Air travel is one of the fastest and most efficient ways to reach your destination. But let's be honest, it doesn't always feel that way. From unexpected turbulence to crowded terminals and confusing boarding processes, the flying experience can be anything but smooth. But here's the good news. There are simple, often overlooked tips that can make your next flight far more comfortable and stress-free. Whether you're a seasoned flyer or preparing for your very first takeoff, these 7 essential air travel tips will help ensure a smoother, safer, and more enjoyable journey. Choose a morning flight whenever possible. One of the best ways to prevent travel hiccups is to book your flight for the early morning hours. Here's why. Delays tend to compound as the day progresses. A late departure in the morning can set off a chain reaction, causing your flight and dozens of others to be pushed back. Morning flights also come with smoother skies. Turbulence is usually less severe earlier in the day, since the sun hasn't yet had a chance to stir up atmospheric instability. That means fewer bumps and a more relaxed ride, especially if you're an anxious flyer. And since fewer flights have taken off, lines at check-in counters and security checkpoints tend to be shorter, making your airport experience quicker and less stressful. Skip the coffee or tea, seriously. When that beverage cart rolls down the aisle, it may be tempting to grab a hot cup of coffee or tea, especially on an early morning flight. But here's the insider scoop. The water used for hot drinks is often stored in tanks that aren't cleaned regularly, and multiple studies have found bacteria like E. coli lurking in those systems. Many flight attendants themselves avoid drinking it. Instead, stick with bottled water, canned drinks, or juice, all of which are sealed and safe. If you're craving caffeine, grab a latte or cold brew before boarding. Your health and your stomach will thank you. Always pack a portable charger. In our digital age, your phone isn't just for entertainment, it's your boarding pass, your GPS, your hotel confirmation, and even your ride home. That's why one of the smartest things you can bring with you is a portable charger or power bank. Airport outlets are often broken or already taken by other travelers. If your device runs out of juice, you could lose access to critical travel tools. A portable charger ensures your electronics stay powered throughout your journey, whether you're navigating a new city or killing time during a layover. Look for a compact, high-capacity charger that fits easily in your carry-on. Some even offer multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge your phone, tablet, and headphones all at once. Don't overinflate your neck pillow. Neck pillows can be a lifesaver on long-haul flights, but there's a trick to using them correctly. Don't inflate them fully. Cabin pressure changes as you ascend and descend, and an overfilled pillow can become stiff or even burst. Instead, leave a little space for air to expand. A half-inflated pillow molds better to your neck and provides just enough support without turning into a rock-hard ring around your shoulders. If you're using a memory foam version, you're already ahead of the curve, but for inflatable models, always err on the side of underinflation. Sit over the wing for a smoother ride. If turbulence turns your knuckles white, seat selection can make a big difference. Experts agree that the most stable part of the aircraft is over the wings. That's where the plane's center of gravity lies, so it experiences less vertical motion during flight. Seats toward the front and rear of the plane tend to move more during turbulence. By contrast, overwing seats offer a calmer, more consistent experience, especially during rough weather. Check seat maps when booking to secure one of these coveted spots. It's a simple trick, but for nervous flyers, it can mean the difference between a peaceful nap and a white-knuckle ride. Use the airline's app for real-time updates. Before you head to the airport, make sure to download your airline's official app. Most of them offer real-time notifications for gate changes, boarding groups, flight delays, baggage tracking, and even the option to rebook flights if something goes wrong. Having the app means you can bypass long customer service lines and access critical information instantly. Many apps now allow mobile check-in, so you can skip the kiosk or check-in counter entirely. Some even include interactive airport maps and live baggage tracking for added convenience. This one small step gives you a huge edge in navigating the often chaotic world of air travel. Dress for the cabin, not just the destination. It's tempting to wear shorts and sandals for a flight, especially if you're heading to a sunny getaway. But airplane cabins can get surprisingly cold, and seats aren't always as clean as you'd hope. Those fabric cushions have seen hundreds of passengers and aren't deep cleaned after each flight. For maximum comfort and hygiene, opt for long pants like joggers or soft jeans, and bring a hoodie or light jacket you can easily layer. Avoid exposing your skin to seat surfaces and be prepared for cabin temperature swings mid-flight. Bonus: long pants and sleeves also offer protection in case of emergency landings. Not something we like to think about, but an added reason to leave the shorts in your suitcase. Air travel doesn't have to be an exhausting, chaotic experience. With a few smart strategies, you can navigate airports and airplanes like a seasoned pro. Whether it's choosing the right seat, avoiding risky in-flight drinks, or simply packing a portable charger, these tips are designed to help you travel smarter, not harder. So next time you head to the skies, keep these 7 must-know tips in mind. Your body, your mind, and even your fellow passengers will appreciate the smoother, saner journey. Safe travels.